India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most instructive material in the history of man are treasured up in India only. चलो फिर से आज वह नज़ारा याद कर लें, शहीदों के दिल की वो ज्वाला याद कर लें, जिसमें बहकर आज़ादी पहुंची थी किनारे पर, देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर लें. With these lines, happy Independence Day to all the respected members of Management Committee, Principal Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. On the occasion of Independence Day, myself Hardik Tiwari, overwhelmed to present my views on in front of everyone. I am very thankful that I got this opportunity to express my thoughts on Independence Day. On the Independence Day, citizens pay tribute to all those great leaders who fought for the India's independence in the past. However, this year India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021 as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, in which government has called upon people to make the video while singing the national anthem Jan Gan Man and submit it. We and our country does not get this freedom so easily. The path of freedom was not easy. It was possible because of the tireless strength and sacrifice of some of the great people. I would like to memorize the wonderful lines by Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Yes, we are free, but forgetting our responsibilities. After the independence, India is being progressing in every field like science, technology, education, sports, etc. We have right to choose our own government. We have every right to enjoy the largest democracy in the world. And still there are so many social levels like corruption, terrorism, inequality and unemployment in our country. As the responsible citizens of our country, we all stay together and take a pledge that we all will do our best to solve these problems and make our country the best country in the world, and we will protect our freedom and maintain our unity and integrity of our country and make our country to being forward in the path of progress and make our country the world's most advanced and most progressive country in the world. To show his love towards his motherland, Sri Ram said to his brother Lakshman that अपि स्वर्णमयी लंका नामे लक्ष्मण रोचते जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी. O Lakshman, even though Lanka is golden land, but it does not appeal to me. One's mother and motherland are greater than the heaven itself. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.